Today we are in Istanbul.
And in Turkish, bugün İstanbul'dayız.
Blue Mosque, Hagia Sophia, Bosporus. If you visit Istanbul, it's best to drift in the hustle and bustle, a pulsating city between Europe and Asia. Are you ready for Istanbul in 5 minutes?
The Sultanahmet Mosque, better known as the Blue Mosque, is one of the city landmarks of Istanbul, attracting many visitors from all over the world. There is no entrance fee.
A few meters away is the Hagia Sophia. It was the biggest church in the world, then it was a mosque, now it's a museum, and my personal highlight is the picture of Jesus next to the Arabic word Allah. As you're already here, you shouldn't miss the CISTERN. It's a really mystical place.
For centuries, the sultans lived and ruled in Topkapi Palace. The palace is really huge, planned for your visit at least 3 hours. And although it costs some extra fee, we recommend the harem area.
We could eat gözleme every day.
There are many hotels in Istanbul. We recommend you the Meretto Hotel Lalele. It's just 10 minutes from here by tram to the Blue Mosque. For more information about the hotel, click on the link in the video description.
The best thing to do is to buy the Istanbul card straight away. It's valid for all public transport like buses, ferries and metro. A trip usually costs less than €1.
Taksim is the main square of the city, but you don't need to stay long here. Just go ahead to Istiklal.
Istiklal Caddesi, the Street of Independence, is the shopping mall of Istanbul. The shops are all open daily till 10 p.m. Lecker, gibt verschiedene Sorten. Muhallebi bis Vanillepudding.
It was worth waiting in the queue for an hour. The view from the GALATA tower is really amazing. Now we are really hungry. Under the GALATA bridge there are many fish restaurants, and now we choose one for a tasty dinner.
The next day the hustle and bustle continues.
In the Grand Bazaar of Istanbul there are more than 4,000 shops. In the huge labyrinth you will find carpets, gold, lamps, everything.
In the Egypt Bazaar you'll find teas, nuts and spices. Let yourself be seduced by the oriental spices and buy what you want.
We decide for a little relaxation on the water.
You shouldn't miss the boat tour on Bosporus when you are in Istanbul. It's really nice during sunset.
In the evening we are in Kumkapı. There we eat a lot of tapas and Turkish meze. Turkish music included. We continue on day 3.
The Ortaköy Mosque is a great photo hotspot with the Bosporus bridge in the background, and it's worth to go inside.
Don't forget to take off your shoes.
The Dolmabahce Palace is also called the Palace of Full Gardens. The magnificent building stands directly on the bank of Bosporus, and from here you have a nice view of Istanbul's old town.
This palace is truly unique. We are in Eyüp at the cemetery, a cemetery with a view. Again another beautiful perspective on Istanbul.
In the background you can see Kız Kulesi, in English the Girls' Tower. A fairy tale tells that a father locked his daughter in the tower to protect her from death, but there she was bitten by a snake and died. Take the ferry to get to the Asian side of Istanbul. Kadiköy is known for its alternative district. Here you will find many nice cafes. From Kadiköy, it's worth coming to the Camlica hill for this panoramic view over the whole city.
We bought 2 Turkish chai, 1 simit, 1 gözleme, everything for 7 Turkish lira. It's about €1.20. It's typical Turkish and really delicious.
Süleymaniye is for us the most beautiful mosque in Istanbul. It is less touristy than the Blue Mosque and the interior is really awesome. Güle güle Istanbul!
And Fethiye is another top destination in Turkey, so watch our Fethiye video.